everyone! Today I want to teach you how to draw anime eyes. So the first thing I want to do is get everything ready. For this tutorial, all you'll need really is a pencil. Optional, you could have like colored pencils or markers or something to color it in, but you don't really need that. So I'm just going to get my sketchbook out. I know on this page you'll see like multiple eye drawings. Just try to ignore the rest. And this tutorial, I've been doing a series, 30 Days of Drawing Eyes, so that's some of it is what I learned from the series. So the first step is to draw a circle. So it's kind of an oval shaped circle, and then next you're going to draw like the top part of the eye. So this is like a curvy line. This first part is pretty simple, just getting down the shapes, and I would just recommend drawing it lightly first, just to sketch it out, because you may need to change the size later, like here I had to change the top part. And yeah, that's basically what you'll need to do to start off. So then the next thing after this that you can do is you can add eyelashes too if you want. And then next you're going to draw the bottom part. You can make this as long or as short as you want. I would recommend making it a little longer than the eye part. Next you're going to draw the black part in the eye as a oval. Sorry, I'm a little bad at explaining this. And then I split the eye into two sections using curved lines, not using straight lines, because I feel like the curved lines just make it look a little better. And then add a circle. You can add more than one too. This is for the highlight of the eye. And then at the bottom, I like to add 3 circles or 4, these small circles. For example, if you're doing like a green eye, which I'm going to do today, you can do this in yellow to like just make the eye look a little bit better. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. You can always pause the video too if you want to do the other eye, because I didn't really show much of the process because it's basically the same thing. And I know why they're the same eye, they don't have to look exactly the same, so don't put too much pressure on making them look exact same. So the next thing I'm doing is getting a line art pen to do the line art for the eye. So I'm using a 0.5 size because I do prefer some thicker lines for the eyes. But it's up to you what size you want to use, and you don't even have to use like a line art pen specifically. That's just what I enjoy using because I am going to color this in using markers later on in the video. So this just makes sure that the pen doesn't smear, but you could even use like a ballpoint pen. You could just keep the pencil. You don't have to do this step. You could use like a black ink pen, whatever you want. And you don't have to do it in black either. Once again, that's just like a personal preference. But yeah. So next what I'm going to do is just finish this up, and then we're going to add the color. But before we do coloring, I do want to talk a little bit about how I choose colors for my eyes. So the first method is like choosing 2 similar colors that are close to each other on the color wheel. So for example, here's green and then here's yellow. So those 2 are similar colors, or you could do opposite colors like orange and blue, because that ends up always looking very cool together. So today we're going to do green with yellow. I'm just going to color it in. So for the first top of the eye, so once you have that part down, you can start with the next part of the eye. I'm just going to add a little bit more shading so the top of the eye looks darker, or maybe where the highlights are, it's a bit darker, so that way it's more contrast between like the highlights and then the actual eye. That's just how I like to do it, but then I'm doing my darker color at the bottom. I'm just going to do it with like coloring it in around here, and then I'm going to add the rest of the color. I'm using the Fine Nib Ohuhu markers for this too, by the way, just in case you're wondering, but you can use whatever markers you want, or a brush tip too would actually do the job very well. So I'm just coloring it in around these circles that we already laid out. So when doing this step, I'm very careful not to actually get it in the other sections, and yeah, that's basically what you do for the bottom section. It's very easy, and as you practice, it'll get easier. So for the black part of the eye. Sometimes I like to use like a very dark version of the color, so like a very dark green, and then I never really like to use a pure black because it's very hard to blend once you put it on the paper. So this is actually a very dark gray. I know it looks like black, but it's just a bit easier to blend than black, so that's why I like to do that. And then for the top part of the eye, I never really like to color it in just using black. Here I'm using a dark brown, and then on the other side I also use a dark brown. Notice how I'm like leaving a space. And the reason why I leave a space is because I like to go in with a lighter color just to add a highlight even in the top part of the eye, because I just feel like it looks pretty cute still. And then what I'm doing right now is adding the yellow. I don't really add shading for this part. And now we are going to go in with the highlight. Usually I leave part of the highlight part blank because when you go in with the whole thing with the white gel pen, it looks quite streaked. The thing that I like to do is also add a few more highlights, just kind of in different parts of the eye, because I just like to add it. Then this is a part that I really enjoy doing, is adding some gray at the top of the eye and around the eye. That just adds a lot of dimension to the eye. And then I add blush, which is also optional. I know some people like to do shading for the blush, and this is how the eyes turned out. Anyways, I really hope this tutorial helped you to learn how to draw eyes and maybe make you a bit more confident with drawing eyes. But make sure to give it a like if this did help you with drawing eyes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!